Hi everyone, Rainey here, and today I want to speak to you about the one thing that none of us ever have enough of, and that is boat clamps. No matter how many you have, you don't have enough. Let me show you what I have, what I mean, and how to get more cheap. Okay, this is my wall of clamps, as you can see. I have all different kinds of them. Now I got these from Walmart, and I probably have, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, probably about 25 of them. I just finished building a beautiful sailing canoe. There's the sail, and it took a lot of clamps to do it. Now even though I had all these clamps, I went to clamp up all the gunnels here so I can glue them together, and I had all my clamps out there. And guess what? I did not have enough. So what I did is I made my own, and they were a lot cheaper. Now you can see at Walmart I got the short ones, and I got some long ones over there. So there's all different sizes, and they're only like $3 to $4. But if you look up here, here's the ones I made. Now how do they work, you say? Well, if you come right over here, this is how they work. What I did was I took a nice big piece of pipe like this. This is a 4-inch piece of pipe. I had a bunch of scraps hanging around, and I cut them into pieces about, let's see, how wide is that? I probably should find out, right? About, I think they're about 2 inches. A little under 2 inches, but I'm going to let you know right now 2 inches would be better. You can see I got about 1 3/4 inch. What I found was the skinny ones, like this one here, that's about 1 inch, weren't as strong. So what I did was I cut them in pieces. Mine are mostly between 1 inch to 2 inches, and then I cut a slit down them this way. See that slit? So you could open up the slit just enough and slip it right over. Hard for me to do that while holding the camera, but you could see over there what I did. So what I did was I used these clamps, and I put them on, because these hold really good. And I put these on the tough spots, so like this here to hold it really tight. And I put one here, and then I put those in between. Kind of like you can see over here. Here's my reel, my cross rigger reel for the pontoons. These are my pontoons. And again, this is, well, you can see what I did if you look here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different layers of wood, okay? And here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. And they were all glued, and that kind of pushed them together. You don't want to have gaps, because then you're going to have rot in between. I did that all the way up and on both sides of the gun wheels. So very simple to do. You take them, cut them in slivers about 2 inches wide, and then make your cut right across, and you have many clamps, hundreds of them if you want, as many as you need, so you'll never run out of clamps again. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with others, and happy sailing to you. See you next time. Bye-bye.